Alara found a peculiar pillow in her grandmother's attic. It was embroidered with shimmering threads and smelled faintly of lavender and stardust. That night, she whispered her heart's desires into the pillow: a pet unicorn, a flight to the moon, and a lifetime supply of chocolate. She drifted to sleep, the pillow cradling her head. When she awoke, a small, fluffy white creature with a spiraling horn nuzzled her hand. It wasn't exactly a unicorn, more like a miniature, incredibly cute version. Then, a tiny hand-painted rocket ship appeared on her bedside table, complete with a miniature astronaut. Finally, a single, perfectly wrapped chocolate bar sat beside it. Alara laughed, realizing the pillow granted wishes, but with a whimsical, scaled-down twist. She decided to wish for a day of adventure, and suddenly, her room transformed into a miniature jungle gym with climbing ropes and slides. She spent the day exploring her transformed space, her laughter echoing through the miniature landscape. The next night, she wished for the ability to paint like the masters. She awoke to find a small paint-by-numbers kit featuring a famous Van Gogh sunflower. Although it wasn't exactly the skill she'd hoped for, she found joy in creating her own version of the masterpiece. As the days passed, Alara learned that the pillow's magic wasn't about grand wishes fulfilled, but about finding joy in the unexpected miniature versions of her dreams. Each day brought a new, surprising adventure, always slightly askew, always perfectly delightful. She learned to appreciate the small wonders, the charm of the imperfect, and the unexpected beauty of scaled-down dreams. It was a lesson that far outweighed the magic of a perfect wish-granting pillow. The pillow, with its unique magic, taught her to appreciate the journey and the joy of the little things, more than the fulfillment of the grand visions. As time passed and she grew older, her wishes changed. She wished for wisdom, for courage, and for kindness. The pillow responded in its own unique way, not with tangible gifts, but with life experiences that shaped her character and made her a better person. The pillow became more than just an object. It became a symbol of her journey, a reminder of her childhood dreams and the lessons she learned along the way. The once magical pillow became a cherished keepsake, a reminder that even miniature dreams can hold immense joy and that the most valuable gifts are often unexpected.